Hey, Josh.
Hey.
Are you excited for Jungle Book?
Yes.
You excited to be in the video?
Yes. Like the thrill.
You want to protect him, fine. But ask yourselves, how many lives is a man cub worth?
I wish I could tell you that the wolves could afford Shakal. But this is not that kind of a tale.
you will always be my son.
मैं जाना जाना जान घर सजाना मैं जाना जाना जान बल सजाना मैं जाना जाना जान यार सजाना मैं जाना जाना जान बल सजाना
Are you alone out here? Oh, that's not good. We should never be alone. I'll keep you safe. Just you and me, sweet thing. Let go of your fear now. Trust in me. Trust in me. Just in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. You can sleep safe and sound. Slumber, sing on a silver mist. Slowly and surely your senses will cease to resist. Just relax. Be at rest like a bird in the nest.
kid. You don't need to get worked up, okay? You say you want to go to the man village. I say you could be a man right here. That's the Bolton way. That's our way. That's how we get things done.
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that brings the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I could be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the tree, make some honey just for me. You look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy ants, then maybe try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to you. Necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that brings the bare necessities of life. Now if you pick a pawpaw or a prickly pear and you prick the raw paw, next time beware. Don't pick the prickly pear by the paw. If you pick a pear, try to use the claw. But you don't need to use the claw if you pick the pear from the big pawpaw. Have I given you a clue? The bare necessities of life will come to you. Let them come to you. They'll come to you.
I am the king of the Panda. Call me Louis. Only I can protect you, and I will for a price. There's one thing I don't have, and that's the one thing you can give me. The red flower.
Hello, Kingdom. How you guys feel out there? Make some noise! On the count of three, whoop, now, 1, 2, 3, ow! I'm licking this one. I've reached the top, but I had to stop, man. That's what's wrong with me. I wanna be a man, come and stroll right into town and be just like the other men, 'cause I'm tired of monkeying around. Oh, me too. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you do. You see, it's true. Someone like me. Yeah, learn to be human too. Come on. Don't try to get me, man. Come, just tell me what to do. What I desire is red fire, so that me and Gigantopithecus would ever dream. I'd like to team with the likes of human cub, but together we have the power. All the jungle's treasure is ours. I got desire, you got the fire. The dream, my dream takes two. Oh, me too. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see it's true. And if like me can learn to be human too. Oh, can learn to be human too. Yeah, yeah. Can learn to be human too.
You don't have anyone now. A killer? Oh, you didn't hear? Shere Khan killed him. Must have been on account of you. saw something I'll never forget. I saw a little boy without a people bring all the jungle together for the very first time.
One more time, one back out on three, come on! Oh, me too, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you, do. You see issues that look like me. Can't learn to be human too. Oh, can't learn to be human too. Yeah, yeah. Can't learn to be human too.
I look for the big necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities of the wide open generous cities, just the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the tree to make some honey just for me. You look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at those fancy ants and maybe try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to you.